the science scavenger hunt, and for the first thing on the list, we have a producer. Now, a producer is a plant that makes its own food. Basically, that's every single plant. For example, take this grass here. See the grass? It makes its own food. Every plant makes its own food. Second thing on the science scavenger hunt, we have roots. Roots come from trees, plants, any single plant that you find on the ground, including trees, as I said. Now, for the first thing, we have tree roots. As you can see this lovely tree. We can see it has roots right here. Roots here, roots here. Got some roots over there, roots here. And these roots suck up the water from the ground. So like when it rains, the water soaks into the ground. And then the roots grab it and goes into the tree and feeds it. The third thing on the science scavenger hunt, and I have my lovely friend here, Jake. He's going to explain what these leaves do on the tree.
They give the tree sunlight to help the tree create photosynthesis that makes its own food like sugar. And just as the roots, the roots suck in the water, and the leaves take the sunlight.
Science scavenger hunt. Now over here, today we're doing some seeds. So right here we can see some lovely precious dandelion seeds. Now you can tell that these are seeds. These are dandelions, but you can tell that they are seeds because you can see, if you can zoom in on here a little bit, you can see the white. Do you see the white on that?
Yeah.
You see the white on that, and that shows that it is a seed. And the seeds reproduce the plant. Yeah. For example, some seeds are made so it comes off the tree or plant or whatever, and the wind carries it far across somewhere. And that's what some seeds do. Some seeds do just spread very smallly, but it gets a whole area populated. So
and some seeds, like the cocklebur, get caught on animal fur.
That is true, and that is how seeds work, and how you can identify seeds. As you can see, we just saw some birds, and that is our sixth thing in the science scavenger hunt. Jake's going to tell you about the bird and what they are. The bird has many species, including the cardinal and the mockingjay, and they are omnivores. They eat worms, which we just told you about, and seeds, which we told you about like a few slides ago. So that's really what the bird are. Beautiful birds. They are omnivores. Let's go.
This is our fifth item on the scavenger hunt, and Jake will tell you about decomposers.
Okay, the decomposer eats dead things, and the worm eats dead things and dirt. So they turn into fertilizer for the plants. So the plants' roots can go through it easily and get more water. So it helps the plants grow, and that's really all.
And it makes it takes dead stuff and makes fertilizer for the plants, making it grow better. As you can see, the sun is in the sky up there. I cannot put there. You can see the sun is in the sky up there. And Zach is going to ask Jake what the sun does for everything on Earth.
What is the provider to the Earth?
The sun is a provider to the Earth, Zach, and the sun gives the plant energy to grow, and the plant gets eaten by the herbivore, and the herbivore gets eaten by the carnivore, and then the decomposer comes, and after a while, it's able to eat the dead herbivore, and then that gives able to plants to grow, and there's the provider and the life cycle.
The sun actually gives energy to everything on Earth. If we didn't have the sun, we wouldn't be living on the Earth right now. So enjoy it while it lasts.
This is the 8th slide, and it's about photosynthesis. Jake here behind you will tell you about it.
Oh, this tree had trouble going through photosynthesis. It looks like it might still be alive because there's buds, and but it probably is not getting enough water because the branches probably are going outward. It makes the water flow outward, and sunlight. Well, it didn't have much branches. Yeah, sunlight wouldn't be that much. It wouldn't be that much. Now this one and the roots are not in the ground that much. Well, this one the roots flying straight into the ground. The branches kind of go outward, but not
Not as
upward.
much.
but not upward.
And not as much.
Then, right here, the water would not flow downhill as much. It would go, and then it would catch by these roots, or it will keep going down. But the mulch saves it. Well, this one, as you can see, this root isn't in the ground, so it will just hit there and won't even get sucked in. It'll just go straight down. And, well, there's rocks and bricks everywhere, and litter everywhere by this tree. So, really, it doesn't have that much space for the water to go.
That's what photosynthesis is.
And these branches give these bushes an advantage. Because it makes the water go straight down the branches and onto these bushes.
And that's what photosynthesis is, folks. That one's dead. Welcome to the nice scavenger hunt. And there's a bird over there. This bird is actually a tie-in. Something that we are about to do.
It's an organism.
It is an organism, and Jake or Zach is going to tell you about an organism.
You want to tell them this time, Zach?
You should.
Okay. Organism is every living thing, like this.
A bird is an organism. A human is an organism.
A worm, any living thing.
Even plants.
Yeah, they don't move a lot. And
Look at this good shot
that's
of a
basically
bird.
all living things organism, except for Frankenstein.
Go.
So, you wanted to learn about gravity, huh? Well, here's the right place to tell you. Gravity is when the Earth pulls you to the middle of it. And let me tell you, Earth is not the only one. Jupiter has some gravity. Saturn has gravity. Neptune has gravity. All the planets have gravity, including Earth and the Sun. So let me tell you a little experiment of gravity. Regulate, literally.
Jake.
This is some gravity right here. Watch this. That's some gravity.
We are here near the delta of Deltshire. The delta is where the water of a river splits up. As you can see right here, the water splits from this little river into this big old pond. And it goes all the way down through to the street.
Jake, I really don't like worms, so you can do this one if you want. Fine.
Worms are decomposers. They eat. They live in the dirt. They eat the dirt and fertilize it to make good soil for the plants. And they eat dead things and break them down into a good soil too for the plants. And well, they're decomposers, and that's really all.
Ah!
Jake, you can tell him about weathering.
I'm studying this rock to make sure that it's tough.
This rock has been through weathering. Water and other rocks probably take over it to make it round.
This is another example of weathering because it's smooth.
And there was a lot of snow last year, so that probably all melted and went all the way through here. And they probably rounded these rocks out, so there would be a lot of good rocks for that collector.
Da